Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to review new QuickBooks Payroll for 2024. Let's get started. QuickBooks Payroll is an add-on service to QuickBooks Online that helps you manage payroll for your employees and contractors. It automates everything from calculating paychecks to filing payroll taxes, making the payroll process fast and easy for business owners. The key features of QuickBooks Payroll are automated payroll, tax filing compliance, same-day direct deposit, and employee self-service portal. Now let's talk about its pros. One of its pros is integration with QuickBooks Online. If you're already using QuickBooks for accounting, the seamless integration with payroll makes it easy to manage everything from one place. It has flexible plans and mobile access. Now let's talk about its cons. First is its pricing. QuickBooks Payroll is a bit more expensive than some competitors. However, for businesses that value integration and ease of use, it's definitely worth it. And the next is it's only limited to US. QuickBooks Payroll is only available for US businesses. So if you're international, you'll need another solution.